To adjust the screen refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to 120 Hz to get smoother motion, you have to set the motion smoothness of your phone to adaptive. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Tap motion smoothness, and then select adaptive. Next, tap apply button to save your selection and apply it to your phone. When you set the motion smoothness to adaptive, you will get smoother animation and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen rate up to 120 Hz. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.